did real good. Y'all let me know in the comments. Like, I think I'm getting better because your girl can tuck. She can do the behind the ears and it look good. Like, she can do the behind the ears and it's laid. Like, it's lit. It's really lit. Don't sleep on Amazon when it comes to these affordable bobs. I'm telling y'all think I'm playing? Go on Amazon. Matter of fact, go in the description box and go cop this wig. Okay? That's all I gotta say. I mean, like, what more is there to really say about the hair? Y'all see it. Y'all see it. So anyways, with that being said, y'all, if you are new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that button, hit that sub button, and I would greatly appreciate it. Make sure y'all thumbs this video up, and we about to just get right into it.
Hi girl, hi girl, hi girl. If they say I ain't the baddest, then the motherfuckers lie.
What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Keandra, and as y'all seen by the title, I'm back with another bob. I've been feeling the bobs. Y'all already know the bobs have been doing good on the channel. So affordable Amazon bobs at that. So today, y'all, I'm gonna be reviewing Beauty Forever hair from Amazon. They were kind enough to send me this 10-inch 13x4 bob unit, and I don't even know where to start. Like, y'all, bobs are just the summer go-to for me. Like, this is just the summer style. And when I tell y'all, I didn't get not one strand of shedding. The only shedding that I got was what I plucked out of the wig and what I got from cutting my ear tabs out. But y'all, I'm telling y'all, I ain't get a strain when I ran my fingers through the hair or anything like that. This hair is really soft, super duper affordable. This is a 10-inch bob, you know, like I said. Here's the box once again. And it's like a little magnetic box. It's a nice box. And inside, I just got this bag with the wig. I got an elastic band, and this is actually like the bra clip type of band, which is nice. I got some wig caps, which are black. We still thankful though, but I like the y'all know I like the natural color ones or the brown one. And then we got this little pen flip, so it just has some of the hair that they have on their store on Amazon, as well as care instructions and all of that good stuff. So that is that. Yeah, that's all that was in the box. Y'all gonna see me slay this unit. It was really nothing to it. I plucked the mess out of it, and yeah, I just installed her. she just giving me life. Like, the hair with the bead, it's like, what more to say? Like, y'all see the movement, y'all see the luster, y'all see the shine. And yeah, I'm about to just be taking y'all through basically step by step how I achieve this look. I'm gonna start with my ball cap already done. We about to just hop into the video. If you are new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We lit over here, and let's just get right into it, sis. All right, y'all, so this is what the wig was looking like straight on my head. After I bleached the knots, I washed the wig, and then I just let it sit out for the entire night to air dry. And this wig was pretty snug, y'all, so if you got a big head, it's not gonna be big head friendly. Just letting y'all know. I think it's just the average like wig size, like the 22, I think it's like 22 to 22 and a half or something like that, but it fit real snug and nice. But y'all, this is the first time I'm using Ghost Bond in a video, but my second time in general using it. That's Ghost Bond. Oh, I almost choked. That's the Ghost Bond XL that I'm using. And then I'm just showing y'all those popsicle sticks. I will link the Ghost Bond and the popsicle sticks in the description box, just in case y'all was interested in purchasing it. I got it off Amazon, and those popsicle sticks were really, really cheap. And I got like I want to say I got 1,000 or something like that. I don't know, y'all, but it's a lot, or 500 or something. Anyways, long story short, I'm just putting a dot of the glue on the cap and a dot of the glue on my skin, and I'm spreading it out. As y'all can see, I am creating a thick band. You want to create a thick band because if you got like a little skinny line of glue, it's just not as better in terms of like, I'm trying to explain this the best way I can, y'all, but it's not as great as like having a thicker band. I think it just makes your wig last longer, and basically it gives the lace more to cling on to, if that makes any sense. So I did the middle first. I thought I was gonna do it in sections, but then I'm just like, no, I'm just gonna do it like all as one whole thing. So then I end up putting more glue on the side, well, putting some glue on the sides because there was none, and now I'm just doing my second layer. I hope that made sense, y'all. Basically I did 2 layers of glue and I didn't work in sections. So yeah, I'm just spreading that evenly, and y'all just want to make sure you wait till it turns clear before you apply your next coat. I really like Ghost Bond so far, y'all. Like I said, this was my second time using it, but first time in a video. The first time I used it was to install a curly closure wig. Was it a closure wig? Or maybe it was like a full, I don't remember, y'all, but I installed it and I used the Ghost Bond off of camera, and I actually really like it. Like, I think I like it better than bow hold. Because y'all know, if y'all know, I used to use bow hold as like my actual adhesive, and then I got tired of using glue and getting it in my hair and all that stuff, because y'all know I have a low hairline and I'm just now learning how to do my ball cap with it. So yeah, long story short, I started using Got To Be Glue. But anyways, back to the freaking video. I'm using Ghost Bond and I like it, y'all. So yeah, like I said, I'll link it in the description, as well as this wig, because that's what the video is really about. I kind of went through the details in the beginning, y'all, but this is a 10-inch bob wig, and I really appreciate Beauty Forever Hair on Amazon for sending me over this unit to review for you guys. I love it. It's bomb. I don't know if I said it in the beginning, but I literally did not receive like even one strand of shedding, y'all. Like, that's kind of crazy, right? The only shedding I got was and that's just so far with me installing a wig. I want to make that clear. But yeah, the only like quote unquote shedding that you could say I got is what I'm cutting. As y'all can see, that's really not shedding. Like, I'm literally, you know, cutting the ear tabs out, and then what else? Cutting the ear tabs out and plucking. That's it. But like literally right out the box. You know how you run your fingers through hair and sometimes you get a strand or two? Nope, not with this wig. I did not get one strand. But yeah, y'all just seen me cut the ear tabs out. Y'all see me lay the wig, do my back comb motion, blow dry it, and I can really say I'm getting better, y'all. Like, I'm really getting better. Like, I really am. And do y'all see this parting space? For this to be a 13x4, I don't know, y'all. Lately, these 13x4s off of Amazon have been like a really nice parting space. Like, I don't know. Like, my head ain't that big, so I don't know if that's what it is, but I don't know, y'all. For it to be 13x4, I'm getting a lot of parting space, and I really like it. Y'all seen me lay the wig after I laid it and everything into the glue. I do like putting that band on, because hello, it just helps you melt your wig even more. And I was just going in the areas where I kind of missed the glue, and it ended up seeping through the lace. That's why I was looking like that. But I mean, it'll dry. It's white now, but it'll dry clear. So yeah, I was just going in on some areas that I may have like missed, or I felt like needed some glue, and now I'm just cutting, going back and forth, and cutting the lace off with a razor. I really don't be playing with the top of my wigs, y'all. I really don't. Like, that hot comb be my best friend when it comes to my wigs, because I just like them looking laid. But yeah, I always use my Care wax stick up there, and I just hot comb that. Y'all gonna see me do that again. I ain't finished. But anyways, I'm going in to do my baby hairs at this point. And like I be saying, I'm just gonna let y'all watch, because it could be a little bit hard to explain. But I always use the black Got To Be Glue gel when I'm laying my baby hairs, and sometimes I go in with a little bit of mousse when I need to loosen them up and like maneuver them more, because you know the gel dries kind of fast. So yeah, well, it dries fast when you use a thin layer. I should clarify that. But yeah, I'm just going in with those 2 products to do some baby hairs. I also wanted to mention it's actually better to do your baby hairs when you put that elastic band. Well, not do them, but set them out when you put your elastic band on to like melt the lace. I would actually pull out the baby hairs then and then put the elastic band on. I say that because when you wait and you put the band on and you lay the you melt the wig with all the hair going back, when you pull the baby hairs out, they've already basically been set to go back, if that makes any sense. So it can be hard to kind of lay them, if that makes any sense. I hope I'm making sense to y'all. But yeah, I actually forgot to do it, but I would actually just pull my baby hairs out ahead of time and then put that band on so that the baby hairs lay flat down, if that makes any sense, versus all the hair going back and then you have to pull the hair out and, you know, maneuver it to lay down. I hope that makes sense. But yeah, y'all, I just wanted to pop in and give y'all that little tip. And yeah, I'm about to just keep laying them. Baby hairs take time. Like, I literally had to just undo one side to make it better. So yeah, they take time. All right, y'all, so at this point I'm hot combing a little bit some more. I'm going back into my Ruby Kisses like cream foundation, and I'm kind of just putting that over the lace because it was looking a little bit light. So yeah, I'm trying my best to just make it look a little bit more like my skin tone, like it's coming out of my, like, you know, scalp, out of my own head, you know. And now I'm just going in with that olive oil, it's like a heat protection serum or something like that. And I'm just using my flat irons and flat ironing the hair because hello, it's a bob and we want it laid, period. So now I'm just making the final touches, the final finishing touches on the hair. I like spray what got to be glue at the top, again, to lay down the top of the wig and also lay down any flyaways and just hot comb a little bit more. But yeah, y'all, this was it. If y'all like this video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next one. Show me some love, kiss me some love. I never had to let you go to the club with your boys.